morning and Jai Hind children. Welcome to your maths online classes. The topic that we were doing was place value. So, before starting today's class, I want you all to understand the places. For that, let's see some of the slides. Place value. This is the topic that we are doing today. First, before understanding place value, first we will learn about places. Ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousands. Okay, repeat it again. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, children? Now, I will show you on the board the places. Okay? Our topic for today is place value. Suppose the number is given to you is 25. Now, 5 is on which place? 5 is on ones place and 2 is at tens place. So, what is the place value of 5? As 5 is in ones place, so the place value of 5 is 5 ones. Or we can say 5. 2 is in tens place. 2 is in tens place. So the place value of 2 is 2 tens or 20. Yes, 5 is in ones place. So place value of 5 is 5 ones or 5. 2 is at tens place. So place value of 2 is 2 tens or 20. Now let's see the second example. Suppose the number is given to you 44, where 4 is at ones place and this 4 is at tens place. This 4 is at ones place, this 4 is at tens place. What is the place value of this 4 then? 4 ones or 4. Okay. This 4 is at tens place. So what is the place value of this 4? 4 tens or 40. Understood? 5 is at ones place. So place value of 5 is 5 ones or 5. 2 is at tens place. So place value of 2 is 2 tens or 20. Here 4 is at ones place. So place value of 4 is 4 ones or 4. 4 is at tens place. So place value of 4 is 4 tens or 40. Is it clear to you? Now again we will see some of the slides. Up to here we have seen. Now again we will proceed. Come to the next slide. Again see children. Which number is at ones place? Yes, you are correct. 9 is in ones place. Then which number is in tens place? Yes, 4 is in tens place. Which number is in hundreds place? 1 is in hundreds place. Now 9 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place and 1 is in hundreds place. 9 ones, 4 tens, 1 hundreds. Okay. Now read out the number 149. Now see, again we will read this number again. Read the number 149. 9. Now how to read the place value? Start reading it with me. 9 ones or 9. 4 tens or 40. 1 hundreds or 100. Okay. Now we'll come to our next slide. Children, the number given over here is 10. Which number is in ones place? Tell me. Yes, you all are correct. 0 is in ones place. Now children, the second number is 27. Which number is in tens place? 27. Yes, 2 is in tens place. Come to the next number children. Number given to you is 465. Which number is in hundreds place? 4. Yes, 4 is in hundreds place. Now come to the next number all of you. Number given is 59. Which number is in tens place? Answer is 5 is in tens place. Now children, your next number is 627. Now children, which number is in hundreds place? Yes, 6 is in hundreds place. Now come to the next slide. There are 3 rooms in this place value house. You can see a house over here. Now how many rooms are there? Yes, there are 3 rooms in this house. First room is of ones. Second room is of tens. And the third room is of hundreds. Yes, you all are correct. Correct guessing everyone. Now again, ones. First room is of ones. Second room is of tens. And the third room is of hundreds. So this is a place value house. Now a number is given to you, 369. 9 is in ones place. So the place value of 9 is 9 ones or 9. 6 is in tens place. So the place value of 6 is 6 tens or 60. 3 is in hundreds place. So the place value of 3 is 3 hundreds or 300. Yesterday also we have revised this. Now again we'll come to our board work and I will start with your classwork. Okay? So start with your classwork children. Take out your notebook everyone. These questions we have done as an example. Now come to your classwork everyone. Take out your notebook. Open it. Open your notebooks children. Now see the date. Today it is 7th July 2020. Which month is running? It is July. And what is the year? 2020. Write down date everyone. After that we will start writing classwork. Write down classwork on the top. Then you will write today's topic, that is place value. Write down classwork, then write down place value. Okay? And in index, along with the date, you will write the topic place value. Start writing today's classwork now. First question given to you is 64. Okay, first question given to you is 64. Now, 4 is it? What is the place of this 4? 4 is in place. So what is the place value of this 4? 4 ones or 4. 6 is in tens place. So what is the place value of this 6? 6 tens or 60. Here I will repeat again. 4 is in ones place. So what is the place value of this 4? 4 ones or 4. 6 is at tens place. So what is the place value of 6? 6 tens or 60. Understood? Now see again. 4 is at ones place. So place value of 4 is 4 ones or 4. 6 is at tens place. So place value of 6 is 6 tens or 60. Note down this question in your notebook, children. After that, I will show you how to do our question number 2. Four is in ones place, so you will write 4 ones or 4. 6 is in tens place, so you will write 6 tens or 60. After this, come to question number 2. I hope you all have written your question number 1. Now come to question number 2, children. Your question number 2 is 545. Now children, in this question, first you tell me this 5 is on which place? It is in ones place. 4 is in which place? 4 is in tens place. And this 5 is in which place? 5 is at hundreds place. Now, what is the place value of this 5? We will write 5 ones or 5. What is the place value of this 4, children? 4 is in tens place. So, what is the place value of 4? 4 tens or 40. Okay? 4 is at tens place. So, place value of 4 is 4 tens or 40. Now, come to our next number. Our next number is 5. 5 is at hundreds place. 5 is at hundreds place. So, what is the place value of 5? Tell me. 5 hundreds or 500. Okay. 5 is at hundreds place. So, place value of 5 is 5 hundreds or 500. Let's repeat again, children. 4 is in ones place. So, we'll write 4 ones or 4. 6 is at tens place. So, we'll write 6 tens or 60. 5 is in ones place. So, we will write 5 ones or 5. 4 is in tens place. So, we will write 4 tens or 40. 5 is in hundreds place. So, we will write 5 hundreds or 500. Note down, children, these both questions in your notebook. Don't forget to write today's date. Don't forget to write index. Don't forget to write classwork and today's topic. After writing all these things, you will start doing your classwork, today's classwork, and you will write first the places, that is ones and tens, and then you will start doing your work. Note down these questions properly in your notebook. And yesterday also I told you that for making the line, you will make use of color pencils and scale, so that your notebook look very good and attractive. Okay. So, With the help of scale and pencil color, you will draw these lines in your notebook. Do it in your notebook, children. One block will be for ones, and then after that in another block you will write tens. So in one block you will write 4, and then in another block you will write 6. In one block you will write ones, then after that you will write tens, and then after that you will write hundreds. One block you will write 5, then you will write 4, and then you will write 5. Then with the help of scale and color pencils you will draw this line, and then you write 5 ones or 5, 4 tens or 40, 5 hundreds or 500. Do it, complete it. Then after that, again we will take a look on our slides. Complete the classwork, children. I hope you all have done it. Now I will show you the slides. Okay. We will start again with our first slide. We are doing topic place value. That we have learned. This is ones, then come tens, then come hundreds, and then come thousands. After that, we will learn 9 is in ones place. So what is the place value of 9? 9. 4 is in tens place. So what is the place value of 4? 4 tens or 40. 1 is in hundreds place. So what is the place value of 1? 100. Now come to our next slide, children. 0 is in ones place. 2 is in tens place. 4 is in hundreds place. 5 is in tens place. 6 is in hundreds place. And then 1 is in tens place. Now come to the next slide. We have seen place value house, where first room was of ones, then second room was of tens, and the third room was of hundreds. Yes. Now children, a number is given to you, 369. 9 is in ones place. So what is the place value of 9? 9 ones or 9. 6 is in tens place. So what is the place value of 6? 6 tens or 60. 3 is in hundreds place. So what is the place value of 3? 3 hundreds or 3 hundreds. Yes. Now you got it right. Now again I will show you the board. Children, I hope you all have completed your classwork. Here's a look at your classwork. Look, note down these 2 questions in your notebook. Now I am giving you your homework. First copy down your classwork. After that I will give you today's homework. Again I am repeating it. Your classwork questions I am explaining you again, so that it becomes very easy for you, and from tomorrow we will start with our next topic. Okay, we will do place value, but we will come to our next question. 4 is in which place? Now you will tell me 4 is in which place? 4 is at ones place. 4 is in ones place. O is for ones. T is for tens. and H is for hundreds. So 4 is at ones place. So you will write 4 ones or 4. 6 is at tens place. So you will write 6 tens or 60. 5 is at ones place. So you will write 5 ones or 5. 4 is at tens place. So you will write 4 tens or 40. 5 is in hundreds place. So you will write 5 hundreds or 500. This is clear to you. Both the questions are clear to you. Now it's time for your homework. Okay, now note down your homework, everyone. This was your classwork which we have done. After this, now it's time for your homework. So note down the homework questions in your notebook. Your first question in homework is 35. 35 is the first question, first homework question. Note down 35. Now, in this question, what you will do first? You will write ones and then you will write tens. So, you will write the places. 5 is in ones place and 3 is in tens place. 5. Now, what will be the place value of 5? As 5 is in ones place, what will be the place value of 5? 5 ones or 5. 3 is in tens place. So what is the place value of 3? 3 tens or 30. Okay. 5 is in ones place. So 5 ones or 5. 3 is in tens place. So you write 3 tens or 30. Your next number is 644. 644. Now, here this 4 is in ones place. This 4 is in tens place. And this 6 is in hundreds place. Places are clear to you. First is the ones place. Then is the tens place. And then is the hundreds place. Now, we will write the place value of this 4. In the question, you have to write the place value. So, what is the place value of this 4? 4 ones or 4. Then, we have to write the place value of this 4. This 4 is in tens place. So, what is the place value of this 4? Yes, you guessed it correct. It's 4 tens or 40. Now, come to the next number. Your next number is 6. 6 is in hundreds place. So, what is the place value of 6? It's 6 hundreds or 600. Now, children, one thing you have to keep in mind that whenever you write 1, tens or hundreds, one thing is common. You tell me or I tell you. Who is going to tell me? I will tell you, okay? So, which thing is common in each and every places? Yes, the S is common in all the name of the places. Okay, so whenever we are writing 1, 10 or 100 in place value, we have to put S to it. Okay, we have to add S to it. Now note down these homework questions in your notebook. Write it very clearly and do your homework. It's very important. Homework is very important. So complete your homework and don't forget to write S. In these homework questions also you will draw line with the help of your scale and color pencils. Note down your homework questions, children. Your first question is 35. Second question 644. In first question, what is the place value of 5? As 5 is in ones place. So place value of 5 is 5 ones or 5. 3 is in tens place. So what is the place value of 3? 3 tens or 30. Now come to the next number. Your next number is 644. 4 is in ones place. So what is the place value of 4? 4 ones or 4. Next number is 4. 4 is in tens place. So what is the place value of this 4? 4 tens or 40. This 6 is at hundreds place. So what is the place value of this 6? 6 hundreds or 600. Note down your homework questions, everyone. I hope you all have understood now the place value. Yesterday also we have done. Today again we have repeated this topic. So I hope now it's clear to each and every one of you. So from tomorrow we'll proceed with our further topic in place value. I hope you all have written homework questions. Now it's time to leave. So goodbye children. Take care, complete your work and be happy.